Timone Yachts followers, welcome back to the 5 Stars Yachting Brokerage Group. I'm proudly now on board this Maiora 20 from the year 2008, a boat that's probably impeccably kept and so brightful in these wide and oak interiors and this massive hood work on the floor. I would like you to follow me all through this vessel because this wide and oak finishing is really worth seeing. Corridor of the lower deck of this Maiora 20 from the year 2008. I would like you to again appreciate the brightness of these interiors all through the way from the VIP cabin at the bow to the master full beam at the midship. Come over. So elegant, the master cabin going aside to this master head, so milky azure. Right here on the fly bridge, just to show you the goodness of the conservation of this vessel. 5 seasons, really impeccably kept, and moreover, the equipment, the instruments all over the boat is really complete. Teak table, satellite TV system, searchlight, Raymarine radar, Raymarine G system, GPS all through the boat, and of course autopilot, boat thruster, stand thruster, the yacht controller that I'm holding, and moreover, either you need it or not, an infrared camera to see all through the shadow. Of course, you can't live without this necessary extra, the bow deck garage. With this huge crane, you can lift out and in your Williams Turbojet 305 that's coming along with this brilliant yacht. Come over in the engine room, where I'm really sorry for you guys because probably you got wrong. This is not the engine room of a brand new vessel. We are still on the 2008 Maiora because really it seemed like it's a brand new boat. The two MTU 1515 are encountering all the complete engine room, really kept in a perfect way. You can see you could write E on the wallings of this engine room. And from right here, from right here, I really would like to salute you, inviting you to see the complete photo shooting and to see maybe at this video and have a look at the complete specification of this amazing kept vessel. And of course, you can have it all on Timoneyachts.it like Italia. Take care!